Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shamir, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. So as you can see by those signs right there, we are at what? 5 below. So right now, look, if you're still trying to get a few things for the summer because it's hot outside, they do have a few summer clearance finds right now, okay? So some of the summer clearance was out front of the store and some of it in the very front as you walk into the store. But yeah, if you're looking for some beach towels and things like that, still go ahead and check that summer clearance section out. Now they also have a huge selection of back to school items in store as well. So if you're still back to school shopping, don't worry, the store is still pretty stocked up, okay? Things were not sold out. So you will want to check them out if you are still doing some shopping. Maybe you didn't get everything before school started, or maybe like me, school hasn't quite yet started for my kid. So it's right around the corner though. So you definitely want to be able to shop and still find some options. And what I like about when it's time to shop for back to school is I feel like it's time to also stock up and restock your office supply stuff as well, because a lot of the school supplies are the same things that you'll need if you're in office, or if maybe you have home office and you're like, okay, you know what, let me get some new pencils, some new ink pens, notebooks, journals, all of that good stuff, sticky notes. All of it is in store right now in those back to school sections, so you will want to check them out. And of course, as you know, Five Below always has all kinds of beauty care items. They have home decor little pieces, not a ton, but some really good finds. And they have really cool little things like these sets of mini tumblers and stuff like that. So I just wanted to show you guys these items. But yeah, I'm going to let you guys sit back, vibe out. And what we like to do here on my channel, we like to, you know, let you guys vibe out, and then I pop in and out whenever I have something that I see that I just have to tell you guys about. But another good thing to do right now is go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a video and you don't miss out. And yeah, make sure you give the video a thumbs up too if you've been liking what you see, okay? Because it's free to subscribe, okay? I'm giving that to you for free. But yeah, so sit back, vibe out, and I'll be back in just a few. And I really like the look of this tool stationery kit. I thought it was such a clever little idea. It looks like you have a little hammer, a little screwdriver, and things like that. I think you can see a more in-depth look at it on one of my shorts, because I did do a short for some really cute stuff that I saw in here as well. So yeah, while you're watching, you know, the longer videos, make sure you check out some of my shorts too, because you can find some really great things on there. Another thing that I really like about Five Below is they have all of these cute little keychains and little things that you can clip onto your purse. They even have those ones that look like the little, I think they're called bog bags or something, like the mini versions of them. So yeah, some really cute stuff up in here. That's why I like it. You can always find something just small and random, but super fun and cool little ideas. And these little sets here look exactly like a little dupe of the Sol de Janeiro travel size kits. I mean, the same little colors and all that other stuff. And this is what I really wanted to talk about, the vision board kits. I thought these were so nice, and I love that they're just out at this time of year. Okay, who says that you have to wait until, you know, the new year or like December, gearing up for the new year, to make a vision board and do all of the things? Okay, no, you can make the new vision board, start the new vision at any point of the year that's convenient for you, or just whenever you feel like you need a change. And I like it, and I actually feel like it'd be a really good idea to get some of those little kits, get some wine, get some snacks, and just kind of make it like a little girls night out, or I mean girls night out or in. Yeah, you could do it out somewhere. You can, you know, if you want to get a little venue and do it, but you can really set up a little party like that at your house and, you know, vibe out. You don't have to wait until the new year to do all of the things. Okay, and I like that they had a little kit that's already put together if you don't feel like, you know, having to snip a bunch of things from magazines and stuff like that. So yeah, if you go to Five Below, make sure you check that out and see. And they had a few different options to choose from too. They weren't all the exact same kit. So yeah, something to be on the lookout for. Okay, a little Five Below find. Okay, and look at the little pins that look like little syringes. So cute. Okay, those are great for like Halloween and stuff as well. But anyway, you guys, we've reached the end of today's video, but don't worry, my shopping playlist has plenty of shopping videos for you to choose from. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe like I said, and I will see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.